Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about how to earn money with crypto trading. Cryptocurrencies have been around for over a decade now, and they've gained a lot of attention in recent years. As the crypto market continues to grow, more and more people are looking to make money through crypto trading. So, in this video, we're going to explore some of the best ways to make money with crypto trading. We'll look at the different strategies and tools that you can use to make informed trading decisions, and we'll also cover some of the risks involved. First things first, let's start with the basics. What is crypto trading? Well, essentially, it's the process of buying and selling cryptocurrencies in order to make a profit. The idea is to buy low and sell high, just like with any other investment. Now, the first thing you need to do if you want to make money with crypto trading is to choose a trading platform. There are plenty of options out there, from big name exchanges like Coinbase and Binance, to smaller, more niche platforms. Be sure to do your research and choose a platform that's right for you. Once you've chosen a platform, you'll need to fund your account. You can do this by transferring funds from your bank account, or by using a credit or debit card. Some platforms also allow you to deposit cryptocurrencies directly. Now, let's talk about some of the different trading strategies you can use to make money with crypto. The first strategy is called HODLing, which stands for Hold On for Dear Life. This strategy involves buying a cryptocurrency and holding onto it for a long period of time, in the hopes that its value will increase over time. Another strategy is day trading, which involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies within a single day. This strategy requires a lot of skill and knowledge, as you need to be able to quickly react to market changes. Finally, there's swing trading, which involves holding onto a cryptocurrency for a few days or weeks, in the hopes of profiting from short-term price movements. Of course, there are risks involved with any trading strategy, and crypto trading is no exception. The market is highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate rapidly. It's important to be aware of these risks and to only invest what you can afford to lose. So, that's a brief overview of how to earn money with crypto trading. Remember, it's important to do your research, choose a platform that's right for you, and be aware of the risks involved. With a little bit of knowledge and some patience, you could potentially make a profit from the exciting world of crypto trading. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.